I will show you how to link regular domain to an Unstoppable Domain's crypto domain. Unstoppable Domain support .crypto, .bitcoin, .zil, .nft, blockchain, .wallet, .polygon and many more wallets. All using Polygon chain as the blockchain to record domains for your Web 2 wallet. You need to purchase a domain from them and record it on Polygon chain with your Web 3 wallet such as Metamask, Trust, Coinbase, Exodus, Phantom, Ledger, Rainbow, XDefi, Brave, and others. I will show you how to upload files and link unstoppable domains. Your domain will have an IPFS hash already assigned when it is created. This redirects to your Unstoppable Domains profile. You will need to remove this before redirecting your domain to a Web 2 domain. To start, click Manage next to your domain from the My Domains page. Now click Website, then click Remove if you already have a IPFS hash. Mine did not have a IPFS hash because I did not create one yet. You will need to sign a transaction with your wallet and wait for the transaction to go through. If you have an existing IPFS hash, you can add it to your domain. Click on Link Website. Create a basic index.html file with http-equiv tag set to refresh in your domain you want to direct to. I will provide the HTML code for the index.html file. Go to Upload Website Files. If you already have a IPFS hash, you already have uploaded a static website. Click Upload. Select your index.html file. Click Launch Website. It will ask your Web 3.0 wallet to sign the transaction. It does not cost any gas money to sign the transaction. After you sign, transaction hash will be assigned to the domain. Next, I will show you how to verify your Unstoppable domain on Brave and Opera browsers. Brave and Opera browsers are the only supported crypto browser directly where you can directly enter the crypto address and it will point to the domain you linked. Here is the full supported browsers and extensions with domain extensions: Opera for desktop and mobile, supports .crypto, Brave for desktop and mobile, supports .crypto. Unstoppable browser, supports .crypto and .zil, Google Chrome extension, supports all Unstoppable top-level domains. Firefox extension, supports all Unstoppable top-level domains. In my case, I entered bitcoin.crypto domain, it will redirect to any regular domain I entered in the index.html file you upload earlier. In conclusion, crypto domains from Unstoppable have their advantage. One major advantage is compared to Ethereum domain is there is no renewal fee. It's just one-time purchase fee. Typically like $20 one-time fee forever. On the other hand, Ethereum name server domain you have yearly renewal fees just like traditional domains in order of $10 or more depending on domain name extension. Other advantage is you can link crypto wallets to the domain because domain name is a crypto wallet. You can also set up other wallet address on the Unstoppable Domain Manager page.